Okay, Fiat 500 2023 hybrid. And do a 360 around it. Okay, let me rev it a little bit to see how it sounds. Okay, I'll leave the door open so you can hear better. Beautiful. Okay, now the inside. Also close the door. One thing I don't like, I want to mention it first of all, is the windows. Why is it the window button? Why is it here? Look, if I'm changing to gear 1 and someone on the passenger side is trying to open the window, it would disturb me, you know? It could stop me from changing gears and everything. They have plenty of space in here. Look, they could have just added here and here for the other side. So, what is this? The screen is off. No, I don't want no music. Copyright. And just the beep, the horn. It's to change the music. Next, and previews, volume up and down. Volume up and down. Got the driving mode, city, not city, city, not city. Does not have any sports mode or anything like that. Very loud, very loud. Okay. Gear 1, Gear 2, Gear 3, Gear 4, Gear 5, Gear 6. And reverse is we pull this all the way to the right, all the way down. Reverse. Has the lights. What else? There's nothing much more to it really, you know. So we've got the cruise control in here as well. If we rotate the anti-clockwise while we're driving, it locks the speed, and if you keep rotating it, it increases it. Okay, let's see how it's the quality. Kind of feels cheap, you know, I'm not going to lie. Especially this right here. Look at this. Looks like something from a toy. Feels very cheap, but the gear, this feels very premium, feels very nice. Even the buttons. The steering feels really, really nice. Beautiful. Look at this sunroof as well in here. Okay. What else? Okay, let's go for a test drive then. Let's go for a test drive. I think I covered pretty much everything. Let's go for a test drive. Okay, let's go. On gear 1. Nice. It's got really nice acceleration. It is a hybrid car, by the way. I didn't mention it before. Gear 4. Very nice and smooth. Suspension is a little hard. Costa coffee inside. I'll get a coffee later. It's getting too hot. That was a big bump. This car is very easy to drive, you know, compared to like most of the other cars because of its small size. Like you just know you're not going to, you know, struggle when you're passing through tight roads. No entry here. I'm gonna turn the car around in here. Got the automatic on and off whenever you stop. I don't really like it, but you can turn it off in there. I mean, it's good to have it, but I don't like having it on. I'm just gonna turn it off. Let's see, where is it? There's a button for it somewhere. Let me change the drive mode to city, see what it does. Any difference? Not really. Might as well turn it off then. Okay, I think this is enough for a test drive. I'm gonna park up here, end the video. Okay then.